Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at how to sound full on the piano without using, stacking patches on your keys or stacking different voices. When I'm talking about patching, I'm talking about multiple voices. We're just going to be using the grand piano. So a lot of you have been listening to the likes of DLX, SMG, Hughes Play and stuff, and you hear how they sound, and they sound with so much, there's so much depth. This has nothing to do with, doing your keyboard low end and stuff. That's not it. Now, one of the major secrets. So one of the major secrets for that is stretching, extensions. And we're going to be looking at how you can do this on the whole do re mi fa sol la ti do. So you have in the key of C. So now we're going to be trying it on the key of C. So this is what it sounds like. So I'll do it again. I'm trying different styles now. So, but you can do do re mi fa, so you can do, but you can still remain on your one. But let me do do re mi fa sol la ti do. So let's break down the one. On your one, you have C, G, D, and D and E. On your right hand, you have D, G, and C. So you have this law from your A. So how I play it is. So you have so much pedal control. Your pedal point has to be very, very precise. So your two. This is what your two sounds like. You can also play your normal two, depending on the song. But for this, I'm going to be using this. So on your left hand, you have D, B flat, and F. On your right hand, you have D, F, B flat, and D. So now to your three, you have E, C, and G. That's on your left hand. On your right hand, you have E, G, C, and E. So you have. Oh. Now I'm trying to stretch them, like make them sound, broken chords kind of thing. Yeah, but the ideal thing is that you understand? My hands are not that long, so. So now see the way I played my 4 now. Let me break that down. On your 4, you have F, C, G, and E. And on your right hand, you have E, E, and A. But you have this slow. So you have Or you can still want to play like this, which is G, A, C, and F, depending on anything. There are a lot of ideas actually. So you can still do. So now to your 5. You can play your 5 like this. You can play your 5 like this. So you have G, D, A, and B. And then you can stack your, can make it an add 9, G add 9. So you have G, A, B, A, and D, and G. So then your 6. Now I'm playing I played my 6 like this. Sorry. So I have A, F, and C. So, and here I have A, C, F, and A. So, then your T. So I have B, G, and D. On my right hand, I have B, D, G, and B. So let's go from the top. So now this is one step. Now, secondly, you need to know how to stack harmonies. Now, when I'm talking about stacking of harmonies, now instead of just playing one like this, how about you play it like this? Do you understand? Instead of playing 4 like this, how about you play it like this? You know, changing these things actually make the sound. So this is my 4. You'll be asking me what my 2 is doing in here, but don't ask me. So you can see I used that application of the reversal. You don't know. So now you want me to play. You want me to play. No patch, nothing, but you can hear how beautiful it sounds and full. Instead of playing, you can hear. So now, you need to regardless of the fact that I'm spelling the melody now, I am also doing. So I'm doing. Yeah. So. So you can see how it is. Let's do it on a different key. Different key. In any key you want to pick out, you just know that you need to be particular about, no matter how you're doing melodies now, you need to be particular about that's everything. This is one of the basic steps to achieving sounding full. So imagine I have pads and stuff on this thing. Imagine how it's going to sound. Am I enjoying this? So that's everything. So try this on all keys, stretch it on all keys, and give yourself 2 weeks, 1 month, and see how good your play is going to sound. So that's everything for this lesson. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification bell to receive notifications on my lessons. And also, I've always been resounding all my videos. If you're having issues, let's say for this stuff now, you definitely need to be a solid all keys player to stretch keys perfectly on all keys. So, and you're having difficulties with that, purchase my course, the beginner's course. You have all that. Having issues with identifying your background in music is chaotic. Get my course. What are you waiting for? Now that it's affordable, So, and for church musicians, I have a look back. You can also check that out. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check that out also. So I think that's everything for now. Bye. God bless you.